Hey guys, this is the Jacinto DRA821U EBN. So I'm going to tell you demo the Ethernet 2G for the TSN, but we only focus on the one part of the TSN. It's called the CPTS. It's a Common Platform Time Sync module. So in this test, we will follow this documentation, and I am using the SDK 7.30 version. And let me introduce you this document from the very beginning. So in this document, it will tell you the CPS2G Ethernet, CPS SW2G Ethernet is a hardware IP, so it has many other family such as the 5G and the 9G IP. So, but this is not our topic today. So we will gonna to only show you the CPTS part of this demo, and you can see this is the back side. So we only show you how it's a part of the TSN. So in this video, I'm talking about how to do this. First, you need to check your driver config on the kernel side. So this kind of config parameter showing on a document is not 100% correctly, and but the command it record here is working with the default image. So since this document is very long, so I consolidated the document in my slides. So I will show you these slides if you have any questions. So in this slide, I will show you how to prepare the hardware. So this is our hardware EBN, okay? And the user guide where you can get it, and the Ethernet module, the CPU board, the common board, and the SD card port configuration. So, okay, let's go to the CPTS. So the first slide, I need to check the compile option. In this slide, I show you this is the left hand side. Here is the document side, and here is the SDK side. I get it from the SDK, so I compare those two. So according this question, I have posted my E2E onto the E2E forum, and after some kind, spend some days to study the config and talking with this question to the TR&D. So this default SDK compile option is okay to run with the CPTS for sure. So this slide is talking about the DT binding. I already have you to check the must for the CPTS. So this is naturally to have. Oh, okay, I already show you the path here and the file destination, those two red arrow for those two links, okay? But this is not important. We don't need to change it at all. If you have any concern, just look inside the settings. So so in this document, he has many things to say. Here I recall the must to read links in this slide. So if you have time, please look into deeper of them. So this is the driver configuration, about the CPTS demo. So the left hand side is the documentation. Sorry. The left hand side is the default config, the right hand side is my configuration. But I can confirm this part marked in red is not necessary at all because I already checked it. So this is not need as of now. So I will show you how to flash the built kernel onto the SD card. This is the step in my slides. Okay, so let's target to the CPTS demo. In this demo, we need to check some tools, see if already inside. The first tool we need to check is the PTP4. This is PTP4 interface tool is here. Okay, this is already exist. So this is the already emerged on our current SDK. Even I rebuild the kernel is still in this part. So this is a user space application. We're gonna use this tool to test the PTP demo, aka the CPTS. So if you want to communicate with Ubuntu, just install the PPS tool on your Ubuntu. But I want to demo you. I won't demo you with the Ubuntu today because this is just for a memo. If you need just study by yourself. So we will show you the CPTS file test case in this demo. So let me switch to this path. Okay, this is my console. Okay, it's already there. So the file test case, the test case one is this command, and the second one, the third one, the fourth, the file. So I memo it as here. So this is the first command. One thing I need to remind you, because the document is not 100% correct. So I already fixed the command. So let me show you something here. What I mean? Okay, this is the document side. So for example, the document side will show you this, the test the PTP. But this command, if you copy this command onto the console, it will not work. Do you know why? Because it doesn't have the /. So I already help you to fix it. So each of my test PTP command will have the / and dot command here. So this is 100% is working. So I paste my command here. So you can see the clock time is already done here. So this is the test case 1. I switch to the other. This is command is to show you the time sync, and it will delay 5 seconds. So the first command I tested is the PTP interface with the 0, and now I will switch to the PTP 1, and this another peer target is still have. I show you the PTP 1 here. Okay. So this is the test case 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, after 5 seconds, you can see the timestamp here is having the 5 second difference. Okay, this is 1615, This is 1620. So difference between them is 5 seconds. So let's for sure you can see the command I sleep 5 seconds here. So if we change 5 from maybe 10 seconds, let's see how it goes. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, this is 10-second difference. You can see this is 1653, 1663 is having the 10-second difference. So let's show you the other test case. Is the number 3 commands. So this is the number 3 command. In this command, you will have the how to say this. Let's test it directly. Okay, this is a time shift. So you can see this. There's a time shifted maybe 100 here. So yeah, so this is already having the 100 time shift. This is 1693. This is 1793. It have the 100 shift count. So let's see how it's going to the. This is the number 4 test case. Okay, so let's check. Okay, this is another time shift. Yeah, the time shift will have the 1 million. So you can see there's a 1 million time shift between those two timestamps. So let's test the final. It's the frequency. Okay, this is the frequency difference. So you can see the monitor out of range. Okay, so I need to cut it a little bit. Let me check. Yeah, so it only can reach the frequency maybe 100,000 here. I'll show you. So you can see there's a this frequency. This is 97. This is 98. So what I mean saying here is this one. Okay, this is the PTP clock frequency by variable setting. So you can just follow the command here. So to test. But I am not the PTP expert, so what I demo here is just follow the documentation to show you how the CPTS is working. So this is the test case 1. I show you and pass my result here. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, those 5 test case. And then if you want to, these are the 5 commands I test here. So if you want to test more, for example, the switch configuration is already inside this document. Oh no, inside this SDK, just follow the document how to test. This is the switch ALE dump. You can see I input the command switch configure -d. It will dump you the address looking entry table here. This is the pulse per second tool. So I have already checked this is not default enabled. So you need to check. If you want to have the PPS pulse per second tool, you need to modify the DTS for this platform. So I already have the check for you. Yeah, this is only addressed in the Citara AM64, but not in the J72 platform we demo here. So if you want to have this tool, just modify the DTS. The DTS is here, okay? Yeah. So I will put this demo movie I show you today on my YouTube channel. So thanks for your watching. Bye bye.